Good afternoon. Question from AFP.
我们对今天凌晨印度的军事行动表示遗憾，对目前事态的发展感到担忧。印度和巴基斯坦是搬不走的邻居，也都是中国的邻国。中方反对一切形式的恐怖主义。我们呼吁印巴双方以和平稳定的大局为重，保持冷静克制，避免采取使局势进一步复杂化的行动。我们愿同国际社会一道努力，继续为缓解当前的紧张局势发挥建设性作用。
The targets that were this was also done because India has an additional.
中方致力于劝和促谈，维护地区的和平稳定。我们也注意到，印巴双方均表示不希望局势升级。
谢谢。深圳卫视新闻，据西班牙媒体，
近期埃及各界均强烈反对有关言论，请发言。
Mr. President, any reaction to the attacks between India and Pakistan?
No, it's a shame. We just heard about it just as we were walking in the doors of the Oval. Just heard about it. I guess people knew something was going to happen based on a little bit of the past. They've been fighting for a long time. You know, they've been fighting for many, many decades and centuries, actually, if you really think about it. No, I just hope it ends very quickly.
Since that attack, India has blamed Pakistan for being, for having some connection to the attackers. I wonder, does the US have sort of more reaction to that? Do you see Pakistan as potentially being behind this, and are you playing any role in diplomacy to try and cool tensions between the two countries?
Well, I put it in the topper, obviously, because it was a horrible situation. But at the same time, that's basically going to be the extent of the comments at this point. What I can tell you is, of course, as we all know, it's a rapidly changing situation. And we are monitoring it closely, as you might imagine. We, of course, are not now taking a position on the status of Kashmir or of Jammu either. So that's really going to be the extent of what I can say today.
In his first term, President Trump offered to mediate between India and Pakistan on the issue of Indian-occupied Kashmir. I know you just said that this administration has no position on Kashmir right now, but there too much tension on
I'm
the
not
border.
going to be remarking, sir. As I mentioned, I appreciate this, and perhaps we'll come back to you with another subject. I will say nothing more on that situation. The President and the Secretary have said things, as have the Deputy Secretary. They've made their positions clear. I will not continue with something in that manner. Yes, sir, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
सामने जो है ना तकरीबन 5-7 गोले बहुत बड़े बड़े आकर ये लगते रहे बार बार बदलाव इस तरह लगे हैं तो उसके बाद खूब रात ही लोगों में फिर सब लोगों को उठाया गया कि एरिया खाली किया जाए अच्छा तो ये इंडिया की तरफ से जो है ना फायरिंग हो रही है ये हालात हैं
हम समामाटी रात को सोए थे तो 12 बजे शदीद फायरिंग की बात आई तो हमने देखा तो मस्जिद में ऐलान हुआ कि उन्होंने कहा ये एरिया खाली कर दो तो महफूज मकाम से तो मुंतकिल हो जाओ हमने कहा निकल बच्चे आगे चलेंगे ये
Supimos sokolas kun, ne supimos teokun. Baya man kırı kun, man küçük ki yaş pertlik eşine devar.
वर्ष